Wow. See? Nice flight pattern. Okay guys, so to make sure that the plane will fly well, make sure that you create the elevators at the end of the plane and throw it up at 30 degrees. Hi everybody, welcome to Tridang channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an awesome paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design and this flies very well indoor. If you like this video, give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends and subscribe my channel. Now let me show you guys how to make it. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have letter size paper, don't worry, use A4 paper and the plane should fly very well too. Now let's fold the paper in half. Then unfold the paper. Now start from this edge, fold to the center crease and repeat the same fold for this side. On the following step, let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease and repeat the same fold for this side. Center crease and same thing for the other side. Alright, and start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. Same thing here. Alright, so now let's start from this edge, fold it this edge, right? Fold it straight to this line. You may not be able to fold it to that line, but that's okay. Let's repeat the same fold for this side. At this point, the paper airplane is very normal. It's not special. Let's move forward and I'll show you the difference between this one and regular paper airplane. So we fold this in here, right? And then we repeat the same fold for this side. So when you flip it over, it will look like this. That's so normal. Let's move forward. Let me show you guys the next step to do. So let's see, this is what we have so far. Now let me adjust the other side first. Now I will start from this corner. I will fold straight to this line. So let me hold the paper this way so I can fold this easier. I fold straight here. Alright. So the next step is create the head of the paper airplane. So when you fold there, you see the corner right here and the corner right there. Let's see, this corner is a preference to fold this part of the paper up. Before you fold it up, you can start from this edge, fold it to the center crease like this. So you can hold the paper one side and repeat the same fold for here, the other side. And then fold this part of the paper up, right? So this is what you should have for now. The planes look very nice. Now let's fold the paper in half. Now let's match this edge to this edge. Alright, and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. And the question is, did this paper airplane need stabilizer? I would say no, but you can add stabilizers to make the planes look nicer. So I will start from this edge, I forward straight to this line to create a stabilizer. So the good thing about this paper airplane is you have all references to fold. There is no need measurement or ruler or whatever. So very simple. So just fold like this and then unfold this. Same thing for the other side. Now let's open the paper airplane. You will have a very nice shape of paper plane. You can fold it up to have the stabilizer like this, or you can just flatten it down. If you don't want to make a huge big stabilizer, let's make a smaller one and it should look very nice. Since we have a line here already, let's start from the edge and fold it to that line. Now you have a small stabilizer and that's look fine, right? And repeat the same fold here. Let me turn the paper this way and I'll start from this edge, fold it to the edge that we make. So we have the smaller, nicer look. Now let's flatten the paper, because if the paper of the wings, because if the wings are not flattened, the plane will not fly well. So be careful, right? And the wings are flattened. And here you go. This is how the plane should look like. This is how it should look like. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.